Hello everybody, this is Kimchi Crypto. Today I'm going to talk about on May 22nd, Ethereum spot ETFs is very likely to be approved. Let's dive in. Last night, on May 21st, Ether jumped 10% to 3.4k, even 3.6k dollars after Bloomberg analysts upped the odds of spot ETF approval. Markets previously had mostly priced in SEC rejections of the proposed funds beginning this week. Another article in CoinDesk: Ether spot ETFs filing process sees abrupt progress, though approval not guaranteed. Exchanges are being asked to update 19B4 filings on an accelerated basis by the US SEC. Another article: the Ethereum still above $3,600 as ETF approval hopes swell. The late rumor yesterday caused Ethereum trading volume to spike by 219% in the past day, according to CoinGlass. What's going on here right now? Well, Ethereum took a big leap last night and early this morning on reports that the SEC has asked spot ETF applicants to submit revised 19B4 filings. For your understanding, in order for ETF applications to be approved, there needs two documents. One of them is 19B4 documents and S1 documents. Both documents are necessary. The first one is for every single new ETF applications. The second S1 document is absolutely necessary for exchange listing. And now SEC all of a sudden asked all of those applicants to revise 19B4 filing, meaning SEC is likely to approve Ethereum spot ETFs. All of a sudden, they changed their minds. The 19B4 filings are what firms use to propose rule changes to the SEC. In this case, applicants would need a regulator to change their rules to allow for Ethereum spot ETFs to trade on exchanges. When this happened for spot Bitcoin ETF applicants in January this year, the industry was just days away from an historical approval of all 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs. There's no guarantee, however, that things will play out quite the same as they did then. But the sentiment changed around this week's upcoming deadline, starting from VanEck on May 23rd and ARK21 shares on May 24th. That deadline has taken a big swing and sent ripples throughout the market. Ethereum price soared, showing the largest daily candle from $3,000 to $3,661 in just a day. One of the analysts from the Galaxy Digital named Alex Thorne, he mentioned if the speculation about a 180-degree change from SEC on the Ethereum ETFs is true, I would guess they try to thread a needle between Ethereum not being a security and staked it as being a security, meaning SEC will admit that Ethereum is a commodity. However, staked Ethereum, that is a security. That is what Alex is arguing here. And that would be somewhat congruent with their various court cases as well as with reports about their various investigations, and perhaps allow SEC to approve Ethereum ETFs while maintaining their previously stated opinions. In this case, perhaps for other reasons, you would expect SEC to prohibit the ETFs from staking the Ethereum they hold, meaning SEC is likely to approve Ethereum spot ETFs without staking. So that was why many applicants excluded staking in their application formats. And third, if SEC approves Ethereum spot ETFs, SEC is not going to be sued by any applicants, including Grayscale. And BlackRock or Fidelity, ARK21 shares, all those financial managers, the largest ones, they can just sell Ethereum spot ETFs and they can money from those fees, selling fees, sales fees. And lastly, have you ever heard about the Prometheum? It's a kind of digital asset exchange approved by the SEC, somewhat controversial. The exchange, they are very much ready to custody the Ethereum and Ethereum staking. So if they approve Ethereum, SEC not sued, BlackRock, they can make money, Prometheum, they can custody Ethereum ETFs with staking services, which fits the whole big picture very well. Wonderful. So I think this could be the picture they are drawing right now in crypto industry. You can argue any caveat or any blind point here, sure. The S1 document, however, this can be delayed longer than expected. S1 is very much needed for those ETF applicants to list their products on several exchanges like New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, CBOE, things like that. Because there were no active conversations or meetings, amendments between SEC and those ETF applicants, meaning SEC might require more amendments or just they can delay more time for kinds of regulation clarity or arguments or lawsuits whatsoever. So Ethereum spot ETFs can be listed a few months after, even if the Ethereum spot ETFs approved. This can be delayed. So what is going to happen next? If, however, Ethereum spot ETF that is approved, Ethereum as well as altcoin price can go much higher. But as I mentioned, S1 document is delayed. If that is not going to be approved by SEC, crypto price could be corrected for a certain period of time. Anyway, if ETFs approved, market would pump like crazy. If you need some urgent money, like debt payment or whatever reasons, I think you'd better sell some of your altcoins. And please do not FOMO buy when the market pumps like crazy, because you have to remember how to make money in crypto investments. Buy low and sell high, especially invest in a long term, not just buy and sell, just buy the dip and hodl throughout the rest of this year and sell sometime later next year. Thank you for listening.